Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to search for anything on a website using Google Lens and Chrome. Firstly, make sure you have Google Chrome installed in your computer. If you don't have it, download and install it first. Now navigate to the website where you want to use Google Lens. Now to use the Google Lens on this website or search any image for more informations with Google Lens, click on website URL and on the right side you will see here Google Lens. Click on it and let's say you want to find more information about this image on this website. Select the image and on the right side this will show the result where you will get the similar image on different website. Like this. Now to exit the Google Lens, press escape. So this is how you can use Google Lens on any website in Google Chrome.